Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube. In today's video, we are going to learn about customization setting in Zoho Books. Now in the homepage of Zoho Books, I am going to click on settings. We have an organization setting. In this, you can see we have a tab called customization. Under customization, we have a reporting tag. I'm going to click on this reporting tag. First, what does reporting tag means? Reporting tag in Zoho Books are used to categorize the transaction based on the branches, departments, or projects, making it easier to generate the detailed report using the filter. In this, I'm going to click. Now we don't have any reporting tags. For example, now I create one reporting tag. I'm going to click on plus new tag. Here I have to provide the tag name as branch. And here I will provide the option as sales, then marketing, and a finance. When you want a more option, you can provide, and I'm going to click on save. Now you can see now the reporting tag has been saved. For example, when you create the tag like this, you can filter the report based on this tag by mapping it to the invoice when you're creating an invoice, and you can filter the report based on this tags to understand your business performance. In this, you also have an option like enable advanced reporting tags. When you click on this, you can see first we have an option for model selection. In this, you can choose what model you want. You want sales or purchase or general or inventory adjustment. Next, we have another option like transaction level, line time level. Transaction level you choose, it will be performed in every item. But line level you choose, it will be performed only in your selected items. Then mandatory tags. What are the mandatory tags you want? For example, it may be HSN code, or it may be a sales order number, or it may be a company name. What are all the mandatory tag we want to choose? We have to provide. Option hierarchy. For example, it is need for wholesaler, retailer, online. Next, we have an option called visibility condition. In this, we have to configure what all the visibility condition we need. Then access control. The access control should be performed by whom? We have to choose. After providing all this, you can see in this we have an option. I'm going to do it on later. If you want, you can configure. Next, we have an another tab that is called as web tab. Now, what does this web tab means? Web tab, it or allow you to add the external website or business application inside your Zoho Books directly. For example, now you have a Zoho CRM, Zoho Expense, but Zoho people, you can access it directly in the Zoho Books. In this, you have an option. You can see plus create new tab. When I click on this, we can provide the tab name. I will provide the tab name as Zoho CRM. Now we have to provide the URL of this Zoho CRM. Now in this you can see, now I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to paste this URL here. In this you can choose, we have a visibility option. Only me, only select user roles, everyone. In this I'm clicking option everyone and clicking on save. You can see the web tab for Zoho CRM has been configured. When I click on this, you can see an option like you want to edit, mark as inactive, access web tab. I'm going to click on access web tab. Once I click on Access Web tab, you can directly see your Zoho CRM in a Zoho Books. You can see now the Zoho CRM. For example, in Zoho CRM, Home, Work Queue, Report, Analytics, Leads, Deals. Like that only, you can add what are all the web tabs for you needed in the Zoho Books. Now I am going to click on plus new tab and I will add another. For example, in this I will add as Zoho Show. And here I will paste the URL of Zoho Show. When I click on this URL paste and you choose the visibility option area, and I will click on save. You can see now when I click on this again, access a web tab, you can see the web tab of the Zoho show. directly in the Zoho Books. This is how we can access the various web tab in the Zoho Books. Now, I'm you can see we have another option like you can edit this. When you click on edit, you can provide the URL of Zoho inventory if you want, and you can save. Next, we have an option like mark as inactive, delete. In this, I'm going to make a Zoho as inactive. This is about customization setting in Zoho Books. We will see it next video. Thank you.